What's up, footy fans? Anfield was buzzing tonight as Liverpool took on Chelsea. The Reds were on fire, and they weren't just playing football, they were throwing a Premier League party.
The Reds were handing out goals like free samples at the supermarket and young Connor Bradley. He bagged himself a goal and 2 assists.
Talk about Employee of the Month.
Darwin Nunez was playing his own game called Ping the Post. 4 times he hit the woodwork. If there was a prize for that, he'd be sweeping the awards tonight.
So the final whistle blows, and it's Liverpool 4, Chelsea's Pride 1.
The Reds are 5 points clear at the top again, and with performances like this, who needs a title race?